Science 7th graders, how you doing? This is going to be a quick one on the excretory system, which is section 2 of chapter 20. Okay, real quick, our excretory system is basically a system that consists of three others that we've already talked about actually, but it consists of four, of how our body gets rid of waste, excess waste and things that we don't need. Okay, so it's our body getting rid of waste. There's four systems in our body that basically are considered part of the excretory system. One of them is our digestive system, all right? The digestive system helps us get rid of solid waste and a little bit of water. Not a whole lot of water, but a little bit. We've talked about the digestive system, our solid waste, and going through our rectum with materials and things that can be undigested or that we don't need. The second part of our excretory system is our respiratory system, which we did in the first section of this chapter. That's getting rid of the carbon dioxide. Remember, we take in oxygen, goes through our lungs to our alveoli, and then that gets passed to our cells through our circulatory system, arteries, right? Drops it off at the cells, veins bring carbon dioxide and other gaseous waste back, and we exhale, we get rid of that. So our respiratory is getting rid of carbon dioxide, CO2, and some other waste. Skin. We've touched upon skin. Skin is how we get rid of excess salt, some water, and heat. When we get warm, when our body warms up and we have to get rid of that heat, basically we do that through sweating, like I've pointed out there. And finally, the new one is number 4, our urinary system. Our urinary system is a system with our kidneys that filters our blood, that filters waste, specifically wastewater and a little bit of salt, out of our bloodstream. And that waste gets turned into urine, okay? The urine travels down in stores in our bladder, and then when we have to go to the bathroom, pee, basically the scientific name is to urinate. We release our bladder and we go to the bathroom. Okay, so these 4 systems are very important to know as part of our excretory system. So really, our excretory system consists of 4 other systems within our body, all working together to get rid of waste that our body doesn't need anymore. So let's take a look at the urinary system now. Okay, our urinary system basically consists of 4 major parts. One of them being the kidney. The kidney is our main filtering organ in our urinary system. We have 2 kidneys, okay? And the kidney has lots of little things inside of it, specifically called nephrons. And nephrons are the filtering unit within the kidney that filters the waste, the water, liquid waste out of our blood. Once that's filtered, there's a tube called the ureter that goes from your kidney down to your bladder. Your bladder is a holding tank. Number 3, it's a holding tank for your urine, for your liquid waste that was collected and filtered out from the nephrons within your kidney. Okay, so the kidney filters, the units inside the kidney do the filtering, the nephrons, okay, goes down your ureter to your bladder, and when your bladder gets full, it sends a signal to your brain for you to go to the bathroom, and that's your urethra. That's the tube that leads from your kidney to the outside of your body. So when you have to urinate, go pee, all right, you are actually passing the urine from your bladder through your urethra to the outside of your body, okay? It's that simple. That's how simple our excretory system is. The parts to remember, the most important parts here, okay, is that our, as we showed earlier in the notes, our excretory system consists of 4 other systems within our body: our digestive, our respiratory, our skin, and now this new one called the urinary system. Our urinary system is basically our kidney, urethra, bladder, and ureter. Okay, and within the kidney, the filtering units are called nephrons. So those are the big words and the big things that we need to take away from this section of chapter 2. Okay, continue to work on this. Remember, I wanted it due by Friday. Get it into me when you can, and I hope you're doing well. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.